it's Tuesday morning, and we're going to have a ride out to get some fuel first, and then I think we're going across to Keswick or something. So the weather's not going to be, it's going to be hitting this year. Like, look at that sky, it's going to be pissing down soon, like, so. But never mind, anyway, we're on the campsite and had a couple of nights on here already. So we're going to take the bike out for a spin. That's just filled up with fuel. It was really empty, right? 25 quid to fill it. But I knew it was empty anyway. It was empty. Roaring the moors, because I didn't think I would have enough fuel to get back to the site, but I did, so I just put it straight in the trailer. So, and it's only been out the trailer and put in the garage at home while I put the other bike in, so it's never been for fuel. So it's full now anyway. So well, we're off to see the wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. I think we're going to Keswick, so this is a nice little road to Burnside, right? Yeah, let's go. Oh, so I'm going to have to crack the visor. Burnside. Look at the lovely scenery, even though there's cloud covered on the top of the peaks there. So beautiful. 2 trikes and a bike. 2 trikes and a solo. Yeah. I just into winding me. I thought the bloody recording had stopped ages ago, but I bloody hadn't. Bugger! The battery's never gonna last till I get home today, that's for sure. There ain't got any battery pack in it, well, oh, I didn't know. No, I didn't know. Maybe I had to plug it into the bike if the adapter's in there. But it's not, like. Look at that view there. Cue the dramatic music. the rain and the view. Beautiful. We're climbing, we're nearly at the top now, right? Well, nearly at the top of this road anyway, I mean. The brow of the road. Well, the road looks completely dry here, which is a bit strange. Seems I'm covered in bloody rain, and the bike's covered in rain. But this road actually looks bloody dry, as though there's been no rain at all on it. We're closing in on Keswick Road. Sunshine on the hills. Jewel the carriage away. Yeehaw. That's us just entering Keswick. Open the visor and try and shake some of the rain droplets off it. sure I will. I'll put it that way. We'll see where he's going to park. But there's the bike park, like in the main car park. We went to Wetherspoons, had fish and chips, very nice, and then a walk around Keswick. So I think we'll be heading back towards the side now. Very pleasant, fish and chips, lovely. And I bring a pint of Pepsi Max, £6.90 or something. Beautiful view going back as well, look at that man, isn't that stunning? Isn't it stunning? Beautiful it is. Even though it's raining, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But you got to do some of the well, not a huge thing. Well, that's well. So it's stuck behind that coach, but there's something in front of it slower again because the cars are all backed up in front of it, so there's obviously something else along that road that's slowing it up. That's cyclists. That's what it is, it's two cyclists, gotta get past them. Yeah, the buggers. That shows me any water droplets off the camera lens of my car, mate. I've got nothing against cyclists in the fashion, but to hold traffic up like this in a busy touristy time on a major road, which it is, and people just can't get past them safely. So I don't know. I mean, they've got this 15-20 mile an hour, this major route. I don't care what anybody says, or they do good or whatever, like, I mean, it's just not right, like, it is not right, like, the amount of money it costs motorists to use the roads, to be on the roads, is astronomical. It costs them absolutely nothing, and yet they can hold everything up. This country's upside down, back to front and inside out, like. going to be a major problem in this country, like, before long, the way things are going, like, absolutely major problems, like. Oh, they've turned off. Oh. Well, definitely something's got to give, like, the elastic band's got to snap at some point. Well, that's just on my way back through Bourneside now. Look at this little tower here and then the gateway. Gateway to there's a big house, a farmhouse or something in there, a country house. Just back at site.